Hello, Python programmers. So recently I did a poll on my channel asking you guys that whether you want to see that what hardware and software I use to create my program, record my videos and edit my videos. So majority of you said yes, we want to see. And being very specific, 91% of you said yes. And a mere 9% of you said no, we are fine with not doing that. So we'll go with the majority and discuss that what the peripheral I use. So the first one that we'll discuss is the keyboard, which is this one. This is Amkette EvoFox Fireblade. Now this is a semi-mechanical keyboard. So if you are new to all this, let me give you a little bit info with a little bit of backstory. So I'm new to all this. I'm new to this hardware thing and actually all the hardware things. Uh, I have never bought an external keyboard. So when I decided to buy a new external keyboard, I did what I usually do. I search on YouTube, best programming keyboard or best keyboard. And the result that I got was just amazing as well as confusing because I'm new to all this and I saw dedicated channel for keyboards ranging from 1000 US dollars. I, I was really confused. I have always seen those keyboards in the cyber cafe and I was like, do these things exist? And then I did some research and I was just amazed. There are a lot of types, lot of variety, lot of sizes of keyboards. There are different switches and many things are there. So let me summarize the thing. There are two types of keyboard. Now, if any of the keyboard enthusiast is watching this video and I'm just butchering anything, you can comment in the section because I'm new to all this. I just want to share that what I have learned in my previous 1 to 2 months of searching on YouTube. Okay, so there are basically two types of keyboard, mechanical and membrane. So whatever keyboard that you use on your laptop or whatever comes with your all-in-one PC, that are membrane keyboards. Those keyboards uses a membrane strip which is then connected to the PCB slot and then sorted and then soldered and leave all that shit. Okay, so they have a membrane. Now the other type is mechanical keyboard. So instead of having that membrane, mechanical keyboard are having a spring and a mechanical switch. Now these are expensive. These mechanical keyboards are really expensive. You can buy a membrane keyboard for like 300 rupee, and if you want to buy a mechanical keyboard, the least expensive one that I saw on Amazon or on any website was 6000 rupee. Literally the price of a mechanical keyboard starts from 6000 rupee. At least this is what I know. So I tried searching for the cheapest, and then I settled for this one. So this is not a mechanical keyboard. You cannot buy a mechanical keyboard for 850 rupees. This is a 850 rupee keyboard, and we'll discuss the features of this keyboard in the later section of this video. But first of all, let's talk about that what is the pricing and at what price you can get this keyboard. So I bought this keyboard on the Amazon Prime sale and I got this for 850 rupees. The regular price of this keyboard is 1000 rupee. Yeah, this was the price section. So let's talk about the functionalities and what I have seen, what things that I have seen after using this keyboard for last 1 month. I'm not a reviewer, so I won't be able to tell you those key points or key features of any keyboard. I'll only tell you that what things I have seen in this keyboard for using this for last 1 month. So this is an RGB keyboard. You cannot change the RGB setting because it has fixed RGB in the inside of this keyboard. I link down a disassembly video of this keyboard. A guy, I guess Hopeless Geek, his channel name is. I don't know his real name, but his channel name is Hopeless Geek, and uh, i- and in one of his videos, he has just dismantled this keyboard and has shown you that what is inside this, and it has fixed RGBs, 6 fixed RGBs, red, green and blue. This is why it's called RGB, and you cannot change it. You can either switch it on or off. It looks good when it's off, and what you can also do is you can change the brightness of this keyboard. You can turn it on or turn it off, the brightness, by using this function and this page up and down keys. Okay, so this is all you can do with this keyboard. And also, if you're a gamer, then you have a functionality to log this Windows key. By using this function and Windows key, you can lock your Windows key. So what happens is, when you game, you don't want this Windows key to be pressed accidentally. And I'm not a gamer, so I don't really know what happens when you press the Windows key, but I guess it exits the game or pauses the game. So, but wait, you cannot pause the online game. So I guess it exits the game or take you back to the home screen or something like that. If you're a gamer, then comment down below. So yeah, you have that functionality also. And if we talk about the experience of typing on this keyboard, it is actually very good. It actually gives you a good feel. If you can listen to the sound, it has a good feel of typing. Okay, so yeah, I had a good time using this keyboard for last 1 month. I'm using this keyboard for writing my blogs, for writing the description of my videos, for writing the programs, and for all those things that I use the keyboard for. I'm using this. So yeah, this is actually a good keyboard. And if you are looking for a keyboard at a budget price, and you also want those RGB lights, and yeah, you can go for this keyboard, and there isn't any con for this keyboard. Yeah, so this is it. This was it for this video. I'm not an expert in reviewing anything, but I'm trying to give my best opinion of what tech products I use. So yeah, this was it for this video. In the next video, we'll try to review this microphone that I use. Okay, so meet you in my next lecture. Bye bye.